Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to turn on Gmail Sync on your Android device step by step. If your emails aren't updating or you're missing new messages, this quick fix will help get your inbox back on track. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android phone or tablet. Once it's open, look in the top left corner of your screen for the three horizontal lines. That's the menu icon. Go ahead and tap it. This will open a side panel with several options. Next, scroll down the menu and tap on Settings. This is where you can manage all the Gmail accounts connected to your device. If you have more than one account, you'll see them listed here. Now, select the email account you want to sync. When you tap it, you'll open a new page with various settings related to that specific account. Here's the important part. Under the section labeled Data Usage, you should see an option that says Sync Gmail. Check that box. If it's already checked, Gmail Sync is turned on and your emails should be updating automatically. If it's unchecked, tap it once to enable syncing. Once that's done, Gmail will start syncing your messages again, which means you'll receive new emails as they come in without needing to refresh manually. You can always come back to this setting if you ever want to pause or adjust syncing in the future, and that's all there is to it. A quick recap. Open Gmail, tap the menu icon, go to Settings, choose your account, and under Data Usage, make sure Sync Gmail is checked. Just a few taps and your inbox will stay up to date automatically. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tips to keep your devices running smoothly. Thanks for watching.